First on our list is blueberries. These tiny, vibrant fruits are one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. They're often referred to as superberries for good reason. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their deep blue color. But their benefits go far beyond appearance. These antioxidants work wonders for your eyes by protecting the retina from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of age-related vision problems like macular degeneration. Think about it this way. Your eyes are constantly exposed to light and environmental stressors that can cause damage over time. Blueberries act like a protective shield, reducing this damage and keeping your vision sharp and clear. But here's the exciting part. Blueberries don't just work alone. When paired with a certain food, their eye-protecting powers multiply. Curious about what that food might be? Stay tuned because it's coming up shortly, and you won't want to miss it. Next up, we have a classic when it comes to vision health: carrots. You've probably heard your whole life that carrots are good for your eyes, and it's absolutely true. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful compound that your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Think about it. When you're trying to see in the dark or adjust to dim lighting, vitamin A plays a crucial role in supporting your retina and cornea, the key parts of your eye responsible for processing light. Carrots are a simple yet effective way to give your eyes the nutrients they need. But here's something you might not know. There's another superfood on this list that goes beyond what carrots can do for your eyes. It's packed with nutrients that not only protect, but also enhance your vision. Curious? Keep watching to find out what it is. Let's move on to spinach, a leafy green that truly packs a punch when it comes to eye health. Spinach isn't just great for your body. It's a powerhouse for your eyes as well. This vibrant green is loaded with two incredible compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They help filter out harmful UV rays and protect your eyes from free radicals that can cause long-term damage. Essentially, they create a shield for your retina, reducing your risk of developing conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Adding spinach to your diet regularly can go a long way in preserving your vision and keeping your eyes healthy. But here's the exciting part. While spinach is fantastic, there's another green superfood on this list that takes eye health to an entirely new level. Want to know what it is? Keep watching because it's coming up soon. Coming in at number 4 are eggs. Yes, eggs. You might be surprised to find such a common food on this list, but don't let their simplicity fool you. Egg yolks are a goldmine for eye health. They're rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of your eyes, preventing dryness and supporting overall eye function. Eggs are also packed with lutein, the same powerful antioxidant we talked about earlier with spinach. Lutein helps reduce the risk of cataracts and protects your retina from damage caused by blue light exposure. So whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are an easy and delicious way to give your eyes a nutrient boost. But here's the kicker. There's another food coming up that's even more powerful for eye health. Trust me, you're going to love what's next. Number 5 on our list is sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange veggies are so much more than just a side dish. They're a true superfood for your eyes. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. And as we've mentioned before, vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision. It plays a key role in preventing dryness, supporting the surface of your eyes, and even reducing the risk of vision loss caused by age-related conditions. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals is an easy and delicious way to nourish your eyes and boost your overall immune health at the same time. But don't go anywhere just yet. Coming up next, we have a food that's loaded with an essential nutrient your eyes absolutely crave. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's talk about almonds. These crunchy, delicious nuts are not only a satisfying snack, but also a fantastic source of nutrients for your eyes. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a critical role in eye health. Vitamin E helps protect your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate aging and increase the risk of cataracts. Regularly including almonds in your diet can help maintain clear and healthy vision as you age. And here's a bonus. They're super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you eat them on their own, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to smoothies, Almonds are a simple way to boost your eye health. But wait, we're not done yet. Up next, I've got a superfood you may not expect, but it's a real game changer for your vision. You won't want to miss this one. Now let's dive into avocados. Yes, the creamy, delicious fruit that's a favorite for so many of us. But did you know they're not just tasty? They're also incredible for your eye health. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which play a vital role in improving nutrient absorption. These fats help your body absorb carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, the key antioxidants we've discussed earlier. These compounds protect your eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. By adding avocados to your diet, you're not only getting their direct benefits but also enhancing the impact of other nutrient-rich foods you eat. It's a win-win for your vision and your overall health. But did you know that there's one final superfood on this list that could completely transform the way you think about eating for your eyes? Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Stay with me until the end. Last but certainly not least, we have salmon. This flavorful fish is not only a favorite for its taste, but also a true powerhouse for maintaining eye health. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the structure and function of your retina. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the eyes, improve tear production, and lower the risk of developing dry eyes, a common issue as we age. Omega-3s also play a significant role in protecting against age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss. Incorporating salmon into your meals a couple of times a week can make a world of difference for your eyes and your overall health. But here's the thing. While these 8 superfoods are fantastic for your vision, there's still one more thing you can do to protect your eyes and ensure they stay healthy for years to come. Stay tuned till the end to find out what it is. Thanks for watching.